SUV sales continue to skyrocket year after year, and the reasons for that are not far-fetched. The segment owes much of its popularity to being very practical, safe, fuel-efficient, and providing truck-like towing capabilities. But regardless of the success SUVs have achieved in recent years, automakers are still working tirelessly to ensure whatever is rolling off their assembly lines whets the appetite of shoppers. Whether you are saving up for a family hauler or a high-performance SUV, there are tons of options coming your way in the next year or the one after. Even if you are not ready to jump on the EV bandwagon just yet, there are still a handful of gasoline and hybrid SUVs to choose from. 2024 Hyundai IONIQ 7 is Hyundai's first three-row electric SUV. The 2024 IONIQ 7 shares the same eGMP platform with the IONIQ 5 and many Kia EV models, with its next-generation design and lounge-like interior that features an L-shaped rear sofa in the concept vehicle. You can expect the IONIQ 7 to start at $55,000. While the power figures and battery sizes are not yet public knowledge, the IONIQ the 7th of May be able to last up to 300 miles per charge. 2024 IONIQ 7 notable features: room for 7-8 passengers with 3-row seating, 300-mile potential driving range with 100 kWh battery, fast charging capability. Estimated release 2024 to 2025. Starting price $55,000. What's confirmed so far? Production IONIQ 7 will be more conventional than the Hyundai IONIQ 7 concept. 2025 Jeep RECON is a rugged, Wrangler-inspired electric SUV. The RECON is proof of Jeep's commitment to achieving the goal of zero emissions and having battery electric variants for all Jeep models by 2030. The head of the Jeep brand for North America, Jim Morrison, announced the production of the RECON and the plug-in hybrid Wagoneer S in 2022. But a lot of information about the RECON is not yet in the public domain. What we do know is that off-road enthusiasts can look forward to the RECON, as it may very well be the electrified spiritual successor to the revered Wrangler. 2025 RECON. Notable features: likely to achieve over 200 miles of range, standard 4-wheel drive, one-touch power top, and removable doors. Estimated release 2025. Starting price $60,000. What's confirmed so far? The RECON will be 100% Jeep 4x4 and 100% zero emission. 2024 Chevrolet EQUINOX EV has 319 miles of driving range. Chevrolet has unveiled the all-new 2025 EQUINOX, but this gas-powered model isn't the only newcomer to this Chevy nameplate's roster. The EQUINOX EV, a compact, fully electric 5-seater crossover SUV, was first revealed in early 2022 and is expected to start its production in the first quarter of 2024. Built on GM's Ultium technology platform, the 2024 EQUINOX EV promises up to 319 miles of range. The EQUINOX EV's FWD option will deliver 210 GP and 242 lb-ft of torque, while its EAWD option will churn out 290 horses and 346 lb-ft of twist. 2024 EQUINOX EV notable features: standard level 2, 240-volt charging, 17.7-inch infotainment system display, one-pedal driving feature available. Estimated release launch 2023. Production to start Q1 2024. Starting price $34,995. 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ touchscreen is almost as wide as its dashboard. The luxurious and imposing Escalade has been one of Cadillac's most famous nameplates for the past few decades, and it has been a regular SUV of choice for many celebrities and pop culture icons. This summer of 2024, GM is set to release the fully electric 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ. a model that the brand touts as the gold standard for EVs and SUVs alike. One of the most important things to know about the 2025 Escalade IQ is that it is based on GM's Ultium technology platform, thus promising up to 750 GP, 785 lb-ft of torque, and 450 miles of driving range. 2025 Escalade IQ notable features: 55-inch infotainment touchscreen, 450-mile driving range, 4-wheel steering. Estimated release: summer 2024. Starting price: $130,000. 2024 Honda Prologue is Honda's first all-electric SUV. For the upcoming Prologue, Honda teams up with General Motors, so it's likely going to be more successful than the Clarity. The two-row Prologue is Honda's first all-electric SUV, but details about its driving range and power output are still hazy. But since the Prologue shares the same platform with the Chevrolet Blazer EV, you can expect its range to be around 247 to 320 miles, depending on the model. 2024 Prologue. Notable features: 11-inch digital instrument panel and an 11.8-inch infotainment screen, 102.6 CUFT of cabin room, 21-inch wheels. Estimated release: launch 2022. Sales to start Q1, Q2 2024. Starting price: $47,400. 2024 Kia EV9 is Kia's first three-row electric SUV. At first glance, you might mistake the 2024 Kia EV9 for the Rivian R1S, with its handsome, angular looks and LED technology. The three-row EV9 is basically a living room on wheels, with enough space to accommodate a family of 7. Interestingly, the third row offers enough space for passengers who are as tall as 6 feet 4 inches. 2024 EV9. Notable features: 300 miles maximum driving range, 3-row seating with 20.2 CUFT cargo room, dual 12.3-inch displays. Estimated release: launched Q4 2023. Production to start in 2024. Starting price: $54,900. 2025 Volvo X90 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Volvo is one of the leading manufacturers in the drive for an electric future, and the new flagship X90 SUV is another step in that direction. You are greeted by a button-free dashboard and a floating center console in the elegantly sparse cabin. Another awesome feature of the EX90 is the bi-directional charging capability, which means it can charge your laptop or even another EV. 2025 EX90 notable features: dual electric motors with 111 kWh battery, 300-mile driving range, minimalist interior with button-free dashboard. Estimated release: revealed in 2022. Production to start in H1 2024. Starting price: $77,990. 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV SS can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds. Taking cues from the Chevrolet Camaro and Corvette, the all-new Blazer EV sports an athletic design that even fans of the Mustang Mach-E can't ignore. Starting at $44,995, Chevrolet has already sold out the Blazer EV even before its official launch. The Blazer EV will be available in 4 trim levels, including the 1LT, 2LT, RS, and SS. 2024 Blazer EV notable features: wide open watts, maximum power mode, hands-free start system, 11-inch digital gauge display, and 17.7-inch diagonal infotainment system. Starting price: $56,715. 2025 Chevrolet Corvette SUV. May be a Cayenne or Urus Challenger. For over 70 years, the Chevrolet Corvette has occupied a special place in the hearts of sports car enthusiasts, but now it wants to woo SUV fans. For now, everything we know about the Corvette SUV is based on speculation, as Chevrolet has not made any official announcement. But the Corvette SUV sets its sights on performance-oriented SUVs like the Porsche Cayenne, BMW X3M, and even the Lamborghini Urus. 2025 Corvette SUV notable features: estimated maximum output of 682 GP from a HP 6.2-liter V8. All-new Chevrolet EAWD system, 800-volt operating voltage, and 200 kWh battery pack. Estimated release Q3-Q4 2024. Starting price $80,000. 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG will be an off-road ready electric SUV. With only the G-Class in its lineup of off-roaders, Mercedes-Benz has realized it's time to have an all-electric version. However, the CEO and president of Mercedes-Benz Cars Central and Eastern Europe revealed that the EQG will not run on the same platform as other electric Mercedes models. If the EQG concept, which Mercedes describes as a near-production study, is anything to go by, the upcoming electric G-Wagons will not be all that different from today's gas-guzzling G-Wagons, with its boxy, ladder frame, live rear axle construction. 2025 EQG notable features: AMG versions will be available. Tank turn capability, 4 electric motors. Estimated release 2024. Starting price $150,000. I think there are some SUVs on this list that are really worth waiting for. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment and like the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification to be notified of future videos. See you in new videos.